Pastor Rafi. Rafi at by Rufi. Rufi. Yung Gentiles, yung heathens will be raised. Will be raised again. Tapos, yung isa pa, yung walang matitirang buhay.
Everything will be killed. I can fit that.
Everything will be killed. Gusto ko lang i-quote dito sa Old Q na pwede siya i-reconcile sa Bible. Merong talata sa Bible na no, unless those days shall be saved, shall be shortened, no flesh shall be saved. So lalabas sa salita ni Cristo, may matitirang buhay, diba? Tapos sa Isaiah 24:6, makikibukas. May matitirang buhay din dyan. Therefore hath the earth devoured the earth, and they that dwell therein are desolate. Therefore the inhabitants of the earth are burnt, and few men left. Okay. Ngayon, ang reconciliation ay nandito sa Matthew chapter 25, verse 31 to 46. Doon sa Matthew chapter 25, verse 31 to 46. When the Son of Man shall come in His glory, and all the holy angels with Him, then shall He sit upon the throne of His glory. So alam mo, after the tribulation yan, before Him shall be gathered all nations. He shall separate them one from another, as a shepherd divided his sheep from the goats. And He shall set the sheep on His right hand, and the goats on the left. Then shall the King say unto them on His right hand, Come ye blessed of my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. Tapos 35, I was a hunger, you gave me meat. I was thirsty, you gave me drink. I was thirsty, you took me in. Naked, you clothed me. Sick, you visited me. In prison, you came to me. Sasabihin ng righteous, kailan namin ginawa yan sa iyo, Panginoon? Itong verse 37, evidence, heathen sila. Sa buong mundo ngayon, hindi naman lahat Kristiyano eh. Ibig sabihin, marami pang heathen sa mundo. Pagdating sa tribulation period, mayroon sa kanila ipapasurvive doon sa Isaiah 24:6. Unless those days shall be shortened, no flesh shall be saved. So itong hindi nila kilala si Kristo, kailan ka namin kailan ka nugtod, nag-clothe ka namin, kailan ka namin nakitang sakit, binisita, pinakain, pinainom, tapos wala pa natin. Akit na namin. The king shall answer and say unto them, Verily I say to you, inasmuch as ye have done it unto one of the least of these my brethren, ye have done it unto me. Sa loob ng tribulation period, may mga heathens na nag-sympathize doon sa mga martyr, mga pinapatay ng mga anti-Christ. Yung 144, tsaka yung foolish. Dahil nagsisympathize sila, hindi nila alam yung message nila, pananampalataya. Hindi sila Kristiyano. Pero naawa sila doon sa kanila, kaya nga sila hindi nakakulong kasi wala naman silang pagtuturo ni Kristo. Pero, wala silang mark of the beast kasi hindi sila sumakay sa worldwide na ano doon sa dalawang propeta. Yung pag-demonize doon sa dalawang propeta. So, itong mga heathens na to, papapasukin sila sa tama, millennium. Papapasukin sila sa millennium. Ngayon, bago tayo mag-number 2, dito sa number 1. Yung sinabi ni Barbanam na the heathens will be raised again. Kung mawalain niya na, pakibukas Hosea 6:2. Yung sentang raised, not necessarily raised, tamang sabi ni Rufi, hindi bubuhayin mo na sa patay. Itong raised, symbolical language to dun sa Hosea 6:2. Symbolical language siya, nadadami ulit. Kasi content lang ang tao matitira. Nadami ulit. Hosea 6:2. 2 days, He will revive us. In the third day, He will raise us up. Israel will be raised to life. And Ezekiel chapter 36, Israel, the valiant dry bones, Israel will be raised to life. Turo ng prophet yan. So, dito, sa kung ang Israel will be raised, ganun din yung statement ng prophet na heavens will be raised. Hindi namatay ang heavens, hindi sila naubos. May mabubuhay after the tribulation. Ngayon, since may mabubuhay sa after the tribulation, how do we reconcile the statement na he will kill everything? Gusto ko rin tugtog yung tinutugin na kill is begin. Tuloy natin, magbalik sa Matthew 25. Yung pinapasok niya sa millennium, yung ship, tinawag niyang ship, hindi kilala si Kristo. Ito yung mga heathens, natuturuan pa lang tungkol sa Diyos sa millennium. Pero sa nakikita ng Diyos, karapat dapat sila turuan. Pero meron kabila in code, hindi karapat dapat turuan. Dito sa 40, then shall he say also unto them that left hand, depart from me, ye cursed into everlasting fire, prepared